Welcome. If you often find yourself needing access to your Excel files when you're offline, Dropbox makes it easy to keep those important spreadsheets available anytime, anywhere. Today, I'm going to show you the simple, updated steps to make your Excel files available offline through the Dropbox app on your phone. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Once you're inside, look down at the bottom of the screen and tap the Files tab. This is where you'll find all the documents you've stored in your Dropbox account, including your Excel files. Next, scroll or search to the Excel file you want to have ready offline. When you spot the file, tap the three dots located next to it. This opens up a menu with several options related to that specific file. From the list, look for the option that says Make Available Offline and tap the toggle switch next to it. When it switches on, Dropbox immediately starts downloading the file to your phone so you can open and edit it even without an internet connection. And that's it. Making your Excel files accessible offline is that straightforward. Whenever you're offline, simply open your Dropbox app and go to the Files tab, where you'll find your offline files marked or easily identifiable. You can work on them as usual. And once you're back online, Dropbox will sync any changes automatically. This feature is especially handy for anyone who travels frequently or works in places with spotty internet. No more stressing about losing access to important spreadsheets when you're on the go. To recap, open Dropbox, tap the Files tab, find your Excel file, tap the three dots, and toggle Make Available Offline on. That quick setup ensures your files are ready anytime you need them. Thanks for watching.